Hey, look what I just got in the mail. I got a butter knife. You know, like most people, I've always wanted a butter knife and never bought one. I saw it online the other day and I ordered it, so I just got it. And normally I use just a disposable knife, plastic, but this one here has two sides to the attachment and you can butter your bread. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner, and if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.